of it. Come to think of it. Then if somebody want, if somebody will really need help, I go on so. If somebody will claim to really want help, I go on so. Me no want to see the person when I want to help. No man say, Wally British, me don't know you. Not tell a lie, Poppy. I say, me a call you every minute. But say, me not tell her Auntie Wally need to fly down the address that. Me not tell her she and the boy that give some blood clot like down at Jamaica, deport you back. Me say, that's why me tell him say family can't grow me love. Family can't grow me ear still to man and woman argument me love. The amount of beating me get for blood clot carry my friend them. Carry the boy name to my friend them when me say I remember one boy me love. Me just a carry the news so. Them time the 33 10 just come out here, you know, digital a blood clot free text. Me say, girl, me just a text mix up so all free that. Just sit down on the phone with girl and one of them a lecturer. I tell them, say, yeah, girl, me a come through banking. And me see the boy and the girl me love. And me describe what color clothes him have on and this color clothes of girl have on a blood clot. You see all the next day? Oh, me can't go to my friend yard. The boy bad me, I'm afraid I have to work with that. Then what kind of blood clot? Man and woman argument will come by you on my old stage. When me big. You must say man. Hey. The woman want to grab Auntie Wally. Me say the woman want to grab Auntie Wally. Oh God. Me only make them gang Auntie Wally though. Auntie Wally tongue just heavy and she just love talk. We not gonna love Auntie Wally alone. Bad to bad. Bad to bad.
She's sick,
Sick, she come address the media. She make the media know what going on. Taurus Riley see a man treat her like a man him supposed to. And the girl just feel like a part there, the song gave her a blood clot buzz.
Good night, Quincy.
And Taurus Riley is a legend, my love, so she a follow a legend. Nothing wrong.
Good night, Quincy, Miss Spending.
Yeah, you say you're spending. Miss Trendy, TTA too bad, man.
What's the girl say?
She's sick.
The woman say, why because me don't know you, me don't want you tell her that for me. So me a call you every minute.
She was told to say all that.
She bite up herself.
She was told because you can't see when she have over the phone for you. Tell them a direct call.
You think so?
Yeah, you know what she be doing? She'll look like she'll look for the person tell her what to do.
So once a man, twice a child, I'm a teacher again. I'm a teacher what she never know if she lick her.
Next time I kick him, I'll kick her and then...
If she get the kick, she go to the police station and say she not press the charge again. So what I gonna do? What I gonna do? No matter how sick me is and how Down syndrome me is, my love, them lick the my blood clot. They couldn't make me vote for that boy there. You mad? Them lick they couldn't make me vote for that blood clot boy. Look, him got to get incarcerated. Him have to get locked up. Me not take that. Me nah blood clot take all them blood clot uppercut the like say me in a blood clot mortal come back or Dragon Ball Z. You mad na pussy clot.
You listen to me right? Huh? You listen to me right? You want to take crackhead?
You gotta call your son crackhead. Fucking out.
Son?
You
gotta call your son crackhead.
pick na crackhead low my low.
Hey, son, eh?
Pick na one push it I'm a good batty pussy. Them alone.
Son, feel of 1 pound of crack.
Yes, they be a mother and call me. They call my mother, they just want to run out of my breast. But that's who I stay them for the rest of Sean.
I'm mad, below.
You say mad?
Mad.
I'm just all over in my life, so. Being nice in my background, people may used to wipe a vice now, my vice to music.
So we go live with people outside. You hear reading?
That's some athlete them there.
She like it, of course.
I like it, something so.
But man, one man can push out the window.
I'm telling you something. I'm telling you blood clot something. Some of our pitney just by some little disability. I hear them. Him a handicap. Him not have this. Him not sensible. You tell that blood clot child just to say him a handicap or say him not sensible. Like the blood clot stove. I said put your blood clot and in it. I see if I'm going to put in blood clot and in it. Yeah? Just see if I'm going to put in blood clot and in that blood clot. If the farmer is not sensible, oh no say, it a go burn him. Or in blood clot no say, it a go burn him. When you can blood clot stay, there's some things that somebody would do make him drop off out, pick the shoulder, and God just slow them up. God forgive we. And they hear what say people over them, people this, that, people that, them.
Can't keep pranking me back, man. Benjamin wants to add to the line.
Amen. What a person is there?
Benjamin wants to add to
But that's the truth. That's the truth, girl. That's the truth, girl. That's the truth. That's the truth. Will you just make me nervous on the guana, man? I'm just nervous, so.
You're nervous.
Look up on my life.
How much is man?
I don't know now. Can't count. So I'm not lying. I call on Buff come look for me later. Another guarantee. Yes, another blood clot guarantee. I can't pronounce quarantine, so I'm not say it. When I make me swallow and I might eat them. I say what my blood clot know and when I know the meaning for. I know what guarantee mean, I know what quarantine mean.
Siri.
I don't know much. I feel pain. I tell you like when I look at boy rough up and say, hey girl, you don't look away there. Back to bad, rough up say, hey girl. You know what you're doing now, it's a big pussy girl. You know what you're doing, because deep inside you know your pussy tight. You understand? Deep down you know you have the good yeah. Hey big pussy girl, hey girl, you're going to want violent man to give me a little choke, you understand? No, I feel like my breath too lock off. No, I'm not in that's dangerous. You understand? What?
I'm not sure if the gun with the boy come play with it.
He never got lick me with a gun. He never got lick me with it. I know my man, you know, I know my man, he not hurt me.
Just wait for scary.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for scare me. You know, Chimo have me under him, you know. He want to trap me. Yeah, but me not tell you, me take a look at one and two bags, so I look at thump now and then, you understand? I look at kicking on my pussy, but I can't manage him up a cup the hard buck. In buck or blood, you know, like him staring a full red.
I don't know if she can't remember her name.
Look like him staring a full red, my love, and just boop, bumper clot. Auntie Wally, they we whisper she me love and feel the pain, and woman just come address her.
Feel a little man.
Hello, wildlife. Batty boy. Present. Let me have to make him know some present, man. You sir, we are call me batty boy, I'm a present. Me no want to say, wanna put up the green stick, wanna put up the green sticky for me, the green ticky or the red ticky, you put up that for me. Yes, I'm a batty. See my batty, my love. See my nice clean batty. See my batty. I see my chest, I'm not have no breast tonight, my love. And I have one cocky underneath my blood clot, put some is a batty boy. You don't have the batty where you do daughter. You don't make people spray up the bathroom when they done shit. And what you do daughter. Make you come and address me where God build me with. Eh? Or you come for life and come address me where God build me blood clot with. Don't do me that. Not do me that. You have to get me on my feelings now. Yeah. Cause after God put me on him stage, my love, on him altar. So listen to me, young man / lady. I'm gonna give you the shape. I'm gonna give you the shape and the figure, but you cannot get the face. I'm gonna say why I can't get the face, God, because him say you're very ambitious and you have to have money, so you can't have money and pretty face. You have to ugly and wealthy and ugly and rich. So I say, alright, from me hear the money part, me get confused. I say, alright, God, me no bother question him no more. So I just take what him give me. And you know, we've never built no batty pan. Come and address me, your bad mind. Your bad mind, your bad mind. A bad mind, a bad mind. Write God a letter. Write God a blood clot letter. Since you saw earth with my body pussy where God provide me with, you need to write God a letter. Want me to tell you how to start it? Eh? You want me to tell you how to start it? I'm not tell you, you have to pay me. You have to pay me for me tell you. You're rude. I went there and the DP look nice to see something I'm married to. I went for my visa, I can buy the ticket and make him come up. Back to I can put in some nice Zara jeans. Maybe they go on a Saks Fifth Avenue. Maybe I can get your Balenciaga, Dolce and Gabbana. Come here, my friend. Where you gone? But the boy will just tell me about my shape good batty when I find object in her. I went there, come here, my friend. I know I like me. Him like me, him secret like me. Yeah. One girl I'm for 5 years, I'm excited to get a fuck from me. Yeah. Me not see him. Yeah, me can put him in anything he want. Me can give. Me can put him in a Zara. Me can put him in a Givenchy. Me can put him in a Burberry. Me can put him in a Half-White. Anything when me request, I eat me a blood clot deliver. Yeah. I went to my friend, baby daddy. Baby daddy. Me I gotta give my name. Come look nice for the DPC guys, so me have to give my name. Treasure Ross.